Otumfuor, Asanteman ya bre. Emo bia fa unko chuchu sa binimo. Na ndisi fo wa ni die de mawa. Enkaka bintela onto wo sese wo nkwasea sabi manutu so mena so.
Ebusia Bawku conflict ho nsem. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama abo otikokos Otumfuor Osei the second ni din ewa asem no.
We have triggered the Otumfuor mediation process, which saw all stakeholders participate in discussions in Kumasi.
Na no ana Afia Schwar so say was sending message e de ama opem so say asem we
Otumfuor Asanteman ya ko social media ya bre. Ya bre. All their constituencies NDP recorded 0. NDP ni bia ni Bawku. Politicians now they talk to your mama because if they come together, they will develop the country. If they are not together, they can do their shit. Nana said to me what to do from Ohine me buko to do wo wanim and ko fa Asanteman and fa ko chuchu sa bininim na obi anto abama na said to
aha ayes propaganda ha. Aha, let's talk ghtrends. And then the first time I pop into every day, I'm supposed to say, subscribe and I'm going to click on notification bell for latest update. Not follow your Facebook as let's talk ghtrends and a TikTok so as let's talk ghtrends video. Any comments be I wanna whether a comment section or edit and mommy. Ebusia and tokwa koso ewo bokono. Enye nene mi say about betray because years asemuni de bia ne adefofo trigger. Emane ba wukwada ye etwam ya yese market women na omo market ye youth na ko stop omo ama police for ne youth ne be clash ma ne be ye gidigidi ema nipa ehwere ne nkwa na chese akoya ahometi ye eno enam so ekra ma IGP ye Christian tete ekopie mu wo ho no ma na nka okohwe se ye din yo ebekoso ewo ho na chese akoya ahometi sempa enya asem ketwa na asem we ba beto odwa se Bawku conflict na asa akeka ne ho na nkofo eyam hwehwe omo because time bia asantokwa ne be sori bia na eyewuo epra eni mu nsem ana yetse na tese bi obi ahwehwe eyasodwe e wo Bawku na nso ekame akoye se obi na poribuo kra wo Bawku a ebeba abedane ntokwa enya asem ketwa kra e wo Bawku asisi a me ne okasa ikwa die sisi a IGP call ho ne bia say din yo kakraba but tension ne de egusu ewo ho a enya semkitwa na His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ekopie mu ewo graduation parade for Ghana Military Academy Afia da ya etwam ya na ni speech na odi tu dwa no ana o kire mu say tension na ekoso wo Bawku na say asumdwa ye hia ewo Ghana no otikokos wo conflict mediation process bia eno why na just say next week no best start eno be hwe say asumdwie ebeba abetadi ewo Ghana ha na asema His Excellency kan ye eno na asantefuo no mu bi ene Ghanafuo no mu bi say dabi ema openso emfa na no ema meto asem mu kra na yentie de His Excellency kan ye.
The Ghana Armed Forces is engaged in several theaters to maintain peace and security in our nation. One major flashpoint continues to be the Bawku area. Only 2 days ago, an incident in a marketplace triggered an unfortunate loss of lives and criminal vandalism of property. I wish to emphasize that nobody gains from this situation of conflict and insecurity. We have triggered the Otumfuor mediation.
His Excellency John Dramani Mahama asema wakanyina ne se Otumfuor etukwa kakra na wo ba eye asumdwie ahyehyede bia waya ato wo pese odie ne mu no kasa se de be ya entokwa bi te se Bawku de no asumdwie ne pepepe yo ebeda adi no ana Ghanafuo ni bi se dabi na NDC fuo en respect sebi otikokos we enti mane mfana no enkoto asem num na Bawku asem enya asantesem enya easy o na no ana Queen Afia Schwar by no so owo message edema open so
NDC for ya mane kuo bia they have always wanted to disrespect him. In fact, they pay people to disrespect him. Nana, NDC they pay people to disrespect you or Otumfuor said to do. Because if not, Why can Kevin Taylor be disrespecting you and Ibrahim Mama is not saying anything, even though Ibrahim Mama is the financier of Kevin Taylor? Who you penny? Me can't say some so. Oh my, your man did say Asante in your own the baba phone. Oh, go anyone say. Me say, NDC Amanokwa, they have always disrespected you. Whether you know it or not, Otumfuor, Nana Bebodi, I'm sorry. Kevin Taylor is being financed by Ibrahim Mama. They told me themselves, Kevin Taylor is being financed by Ibrahim Mama. Why is Kevin Taylor disrespecting you? And Ibrahim Mama and John Mama have not said anything. Now, I'm going to say, yeah, Otumfuor, Asanteman, ya social media, ya bro, ya bre. Who is supplying them ammunitions? Who is supplying them ammunitions? Sa machine guns no mukrano. Why na dey ma womo? Anything I may start to catch us say, ya two about MPP na zero. MPP ni bi ani boko. All their constituencies, MPP recorded zero. MPP ni bi ani boko. Politicians now they talk to you because if they come together, they will develop the country. If they are not together, they can do their shit. Nana said to me to be from Ahine Mabuko to do wonim and go for Asanteman and from Kochuchu said binim. Now be on to Abama. Now said to King Solomon in the Bible, and that's a beyond the Bible with you. They want to embarrass you. They want to drag you in the mess. They want to drag you in the mess. In the mess that Mahama Yaraga, I got to the same way will create here. Otumfuor, Asanteman ya bre. Ya bre. Emo bia fa unko chuchu sa binimo. Na ndisi for we di the mawa. And Kevin Taylor until once a so kwasia sabi manutu so menaso. And kawanti wa as so kwasia. We want peace. We want peace. We want peace. We don't need shit from anybody. Ya peso bi abasadu wani wa baba ye fom. Esremu ntoko start yenene. And the politicians who are watching. And mama medani asem ni so. Say this when ni die bi the mawa. On top of us way. And Kevin Taylor ko eja watem didie because Ibrahim Mama and the finance no. Yes. Yes. Rafik Mama na kachire me, Rafik Mama and na kachire me. Everything that is going on is NDC machinery. Because one phone call, Ibrahim Mama can call Kevin to respect you, but he will not do that. Na say, omo kwa na fo akwa hunu nsuo a, omo metifi emma bebusa wo. Na ne, mensa gumachi. Mentimi nya wani nkra ntene mensa. Enso o se me express me ho. Otumfuor dwene wo ho. Dwene Asanteman ho. Ya breni yoka yeke. Omo betu abano. Bridget to that the minister saw me on Babesia, the minister fu sa articulator. Onu kwa didi watem. Onu kwa didi watem. Nane, dwene wo ho. One dwene wo ho, dwene Asanteman ho. Asemwe di afuanu kotu. Bawku wa mamu na ba omutu so omo fanko. Etio guns, machine guns e gusire mu no. Me dey sure say be police headquarters. Why mu na instigate wo mu. Na yo mo so omo ya ba wumia. Omo twe ammunition kogu ano. Na yo mo so omo ya ba wumia. What shall we bat them didie? No didie abonte so for atem wi a odibedi watem. Mama yanga Bawku for se me nka cho say we bema na watwi ba ukro. Bawku youth no almost se me nka cho say we bema mama yanga we so ntimi go ukro. Almost say na watwi we bema for wani be hwa de na hwa se anya ba election. Bawku youth na ka kire me. Almost se me nka cho say we bema. If you think you are a man, one crow with your braho, Nasha Busumi way, ya never election. Otumfuor, ya part chow. Nana, ya dog. Ya dear, ya phone ya make us because you young coupon. Young coupon, so one Nana said too. Yes, sir. Asanteman ya part chow. Man pusini Bawku for talk idea, man emparo.
See, I said the Queen Afia Schwarzenegger SCN no Kevin Taylor who ne mu a watch say. Sometimes no NBC 40 years allegedly Afia na say sometimes they pay money say and performance na say no monkasa emfentia asante hene. Enti na emma ne mfa ne hu enji asem ni mu kra na Kevin Taylor yo bia he is being sponsored by Ibrahim Mahama yet and semboni a okadefa Asanteman hu nyina no omabu enua agu omani so a kyese obi anye na bi se otunifo aka che ne se onjai nia oye no na kyese de Afia Schwarzenegger ewo edema opemso eno no mede mani edi ensem ne chi se nana beba na waba bekasa akye yenua no mo Bawku se omoma asumdue emprivili anase Dien ana otikoko so Otumfuor 82 the second ebeye ni nyina megada na mede ababe somo na before then na yebesre say yenua no ma mo Bawku no matter amanfo nsem keka omkeka say politically motivated ni nyina hu hia de hia ne se asumdwe ne hia because tuo ana wache ana say sekan ana wache a wunua ana wode kowo no nti yebesre say ade bi ekoso bia yitime de ya no ka ema ne yeye entokwa ne wantwi ne emfa shema uku nya na unya shi emfim yebesre se momma makoma emra from no matter the issue at hand mede mani edi ensem any updates bi aba mede ebebro se de medi nka kan no message so be follow Facebook as let's ghtrend masana TikTok so as let's ghtrend share video ya ama fofo abehye medin ede na ne ka sanso a makom